We are still in lockdown, and the whole city is under enhanced community quarantine. That means we cannot leave our house unless you have a pass. I don't have a pass. They only give two passes for each household, but I didn't. I gave it to two of my staff because they do errands anyway. But I'm enjoying the lockdown. Actually, there's a lot of things that we can do at home. I'm sure that many of you have already figured it out, but at least for me, I'm still working full time, but I like gardening. I like working with my hands, so I like to build, and I like to plant. This is a very exciting day for me today. It's a transplanting day. It's about 7 o'clock here in Davao City, Philippines, and this is the first batch of high value vegetables that's going to go into my portable vegetable beds. I came up with a very simple structure, build it, and then I just overlaid it with cheap tarp, and then I poured good soil into it, and that's it. So these babies have been germinating for 15 days. So today, this is going into the ground or the vegetable bed, and I am quite surprised and actually extremely pleased that these are sprouting very well. I wasn't expecting it because, I mean, these seeds actually came from the US. This is a red Russian kale. So I'm very curious how this is going to pan out here in the Philippines because, I mean, these are supposed to be planted in a cooler environment, but here it's quite hot here. It can get hot here, but at night it's cooler. We are more in the countryside, so a little bit cooler compared to the city, but hopefully this is going to work. I'm planting on these 4 vegetable beds, red Russian kale, red and white Russian kale, romaine, as well as bok choy, which is petcha. You call it in the Philippines petcha, that's bok choy. That's one of my favorite greens here. All right, see you soon. Have a good day.